Hi friends, welcome to Testing Trios Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about Python decimal. What exactly decimal can do and how we can able to achieve our decimal using our Python. We will discuss here and set up rules. What are the rules it is presented? Those things also we will discuss here now. See, by default you can imagine there is an inbuilt floating performance. It's become like 1.0 and 2.0 is become 3.3 by calculating it is if you are using calculator then by default it will provide, and when you coming from system and it will become it is false because the system will understand for the computer binary format of 0 and 1s. Due to this reason only we can able to the fraction of knows that we can accurate some storage in our computer. It's become like sometimes it is become false. Example like 1 by 3 is binary. If whenever you search or else you can calculating that, it will provide for 0.3 and some values, correct? When you use the computer format, it will become a 0 only because it will not read sometimes the values after values is presented, correct? Then when you want to converting some turning about decimal fraction 0.1 will result in infinitely long binary fraction of the value like this. Then our computer only stores fits number of its only means the which is how much it required those things only. It will not go and beyond that. Computer hardware also it will not allow. By default Python it will get some hardware not error in a Python like that you can able to get it. See, by imaginary, like example 1.1 plus 2.2, this become 3.3 and remaining values it will not come out when you using the computer. You can use a decimal model that comes with the Python while floating points numbers have a places up to 15 decimal places and the decimal models has user stability percentage. How we can able to means we can see now this is simple example. Let's execute and you can able to understand that how it is works. See now I'm executing here. You can see the difference between. See normal point. If you are providing 0 print 0.1, it is becoming 0.1 only, and print decimal point decimals and 0.1, it will provide this length remaining values. And even in the previous section I do for that print 1 divided by 3. Just I'm running this one also. You can see now 0.33333 and 0.1 and 0. This is the values. Correct. And is also observed the sequence like significance like we know you can able to 25.50 kgs is the more accurate than the 25 plus 5 as it is a two significance decimal places as comparing to one place. And like see the way of 2.25.50 the same format and 25.5 also same format of this occurrence it will present, right? And if you see some difference here after declaring this one, we are using for previous my video, please go to that why the from we are using and import, because if you want to decrease that way we can able to use our renaming some decimal or something the importing sessions to renaming those times we can able to use this from and import things are different format. Now here you can see in the top one 3.3 it is presented and you can able to come to down. It's a 1.2 and 5 2.5 because it is a 3.7, correct. Now but it is showing for 3.00 only. It is not taking for more than that value, because when you use the decimal format, it will extract the some values which is nearby this presenter. Those things it will returns that value. And we have some set of rules, some using for when you use decimal instead of floating. When we can able to use this kind of like instead of float we can able to use decimal. When we are making a financial application that needs exact decimal representation, that moment we can able to use this decimal format. When we want to control the level of processing of require, then only we can able to use. When we want to implement the notice of significance decimal places, then we can able to use our decimal structure instead of float. This all about these decimal sections. I hope you understand this one. Please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.